Somebody's trying to break into my house. Please help me.
Okay, ma'am. Stay calm. What's your name?
Karen? Please send somebody.
What is your address?
885 Oakwood Street. Oh my God, he's in the house.
Stay on the line, Karen. I'm sending someone over now, okay?
Okay.
Where are you in the house?
My bedroom. I can hear him downstairs.
Is your bedroom door open?
Yes.
Close the damn door.
Bobby.
Alternating nights when you're alternating, you're unbelievable. It's like you just burn from the waist up, you burn from the waist up, you burn her arm, her ears burn off, and her nose, her eyelashes and her fingers are burned, she can't hold anything, and the medical advances, there's no end.
Hey, Gunther. Videotapes at the station. Gunther, you need to answer your father's question.
I know so.
And why did you send them here? Those tapes show 2 murders before they happened.
I know.
Where did you get them?
I swear, if you don't tell us where you got those 2 goddamn videotapes, I will hand you your fucking head, Bobby!
Gunther, come on. You're a good kid. Okay, so why don't you just tell us where you got these videotapes from? Just tell us what they are.
Data does not look better.
He bought a video recorder for the house and you used it.
Yeah, like, all the time. I started by looking up late-night movies and shows and TV Guide, because then a few months ago, I started seeing these other things on the screen. At first, they were just different colored flashes, but...
You recognize them from where?
Oh. God damn it, Gunther.
Wait. Okay. Continue, please. And then what happened? What is this? Is this some kind of prank, Gunther? Saying, but I can't believe you.
Hey, wait.
No, I just can't believe you. Yes.
Go outside for a second. He's not lying.
What?
He has these dreams. Sometimes they're prophetic.
Prophetic.
Yeah. I've seen it. He'll have a dream and then later it'll come true exactly as he described it. It's something that runs in my family. My sister had it. It drove her so crazy that she killed herself. Gunther's cousin Gwen has it too. I fucking hate it.
You gotta be kidding me here.
I'm not.
So, why didn't you give the tapes to your dad? Okay, Gunther, just keep going.
Well, at first, it was just, whatever kind of things on the tapes. The score of a Friday night football game, who would get into a fight behind safely after school and who would win, stuff like that.
Postal Service retrieved your package from the mailbox.
Thanks, Joe. Tell me what's on this one. The address on the door.
All right, 4725, but what street?
There. Reflection on the window. Your Aurora water tower. The side with the writing on it. I know exactly where the street is. Go and get your camera kit. Friends for a long time. I mean, our kids grew up together, for Christ's sake. So I'm giving you a chance. Right now, to tell me the truth, Bobby. Did you?
I know what you did there. You killed them. You killed all of them. You just chopped up that woman for my dream.
And now I'm gonna kill you. Because this is all.
No, you're not gonna kill me. I'm not gonna kill you. No. I just dreamed everything that happens next. The dream is playing on this camera right now.